you're not getting subscribers or watch hours, or your views are very low, guys, let me quickly show you settings that you need to turn off as soon as possible, like ASAP. So without wasting much of your time, let me quickly go and show you what you need to turn off. Okay, turn this thing off as soon as possible. It might be the thing that is causing the fact that you are not getting subscribers or watch hours or even potential views to your channel, guys. This thing I'm telling you now really works. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it.
So guys, from your Google browser, search for studio.youtube.com. So once you get here, you quickly turn this setting off that I'm about to show you. Okay, now this setting I'm about to show you, you can turn it off from your studio app. That's the normal app you got from your iOS store or your Play Store. Okay, so but first of all, let me show you how to turn it off here on your browser. Okay, so what you need to do now is go to your customization. So once you get to customization, this is the format that is bringing out. Okay, the next thing you want to do here is select home tab. Okay, so once you select home tab, it brings you to this interface. Once you get to this interface, so what you want to really do here now is go to, you see this area written for you section. So once you see this particular area, you click on more settings. Okay, so once you tap on that more settings, it is going to bring you to this area. Okay, so here you see for you settings. Okay, so for this for you settings, you have different options here. So the first option is saying what to include in the for you section. So this for you section simply means when someone comes to your home page, okay, on your channel, all right, the first thing they see once they get to your channel, that is what this for you section is all about. So here it says content type, video, short and live stream. Okay, so if you want your video, short and live stream to show on your home page when someone comes to see what your channel is all about, you just make sure that you turn them on. Okay, so right here you can see that mine is turned on. So here you can see that mine is turned on, the three of them is turned on. Okay, so after you turn these three on, all right, so the next thing you want to make sure you do is go to this other section that is written recency. Okay, so the first option is saying all content recommended. Okay, now if you want all your content to be recommended depending on how long you have been on YouTube or you've been posting here on YouTube, okay, maybe from 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, okay, so it is all going to be recommended by YouTube. That is what people will see once they get to your home page. Okay, but if you want YouTube to recommend only your recent content, that is content that you've created in the past 365 days, just tap on this other one here. Okay, this one written recent content only. All right, so once you tap on this one, this will make sure that YouTube is going to be recommending only the recent content that you've created in the last 365 days. So once you do that, then you tap on done. Okay, make sure you tap on done, because if you don't tap on done, it's not going to be saved. And then once you do that, make sure to click on this publish. So once you do this and go back to your home page, okay, you will discover that all the recent content you have posted in the last 365 days will appear on your for you section. It will appear on your home page. Okay, so that's going to be the first thing that people will see whenever they tap on your videos. Okay, and now how to do this on your studio, okay, or your studio app. Now let me show you how you can do this on your studio app. Now let's go to your studio app. All right, so once you get here, guys, you tap on this section here. Okay, so once you tap on that, you also tap on this pen. So once you tap on the pen setting, you see this home tab below, just below here. Tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you also see this for you section. Okay, you see that my for you section is turned on and the home tab is also turned on. So you tap on more settings. So once you get here, you also see that mine is set at recent content only. So the same thing you did on your browser, okay, on your studio browser, you can also do it here, guys. So this is how you can achieve this. It's as simple as that. You can do this from your browser. You can also do it from your studio. So just turn it off from all content recommended to recent content only, guys. And with time, you'll be getting YouTube to recommend your videos, your content, and also have the chances of getting more subscribers, watch hours, and potential views on your channel.
So guys, now you've seen what you need to turn off, okay? So as you're watching this video now, make sure you are implementing on it as soon as possible, guys, because it will really help you, especially when you are short of subscribers, watch hours, and you don't normally get views on your videos. This might be one of the things that might be delaying or causing the fact that you're not having any of these things mentioned. So guys, I hope this video helps somebody, and if it really does, please do well to leave a comment in the comment section, like and also share so that more people can learn from this video as well. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. You can also do well to check out my other videos, as I'll be dropping the links in the description box of this video. So guys, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.